Hello and welcome to the video on an introduction to inheritance using classes. What I have here is I have a class mage that I defined, and this is public, and the class has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these which we call properties. It has 5 properties. And it has 2 methods, 2 mini programs. One is called rest, that's a method, and the other is called cast spell. Okay. Now what I have is I have another class that I define called fighter. It has public and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 properties, and it has 2 methods. One method is called rest, this one here, and the other method is called fight, this one here. Now what I can do with these classes, like I have class mage and I have class fighter, I can instantate, the word I can't pronounce, I can instantate them, and here is mage, that is the class, and I'm going to make an object my mage right here, and there is fighter, and I'm going to make my fighter. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to do assignments. My mage name is going to be Toga. My mage race is going to be an elf. His age is going to be 126. His mana points is going to be 200. Magic points 65. He's going to cast a spell and then he's going to rest. There's my fighter. His name's Boomer. His race is an orc. His age is 27. His armor points are 328. His bash points are 98. He's going to fight and he's going to rest. So let's just see if it compiles and works. Okay, there it goes, and I bring that in here, and it says casting a spell, and that's what you should see right here, my mage casting a spell. Press any key to continue. Then it says resting and getting energy, and that should be my mage rest. Press the key. I do that. Fighting now, that's what the fighter's doing, and then press any key to continue. Resting and getting energy, and that's what the fighter does. Okay, now here's the point of all this. The point of all this is if I look up here on the mage class, I see that it has 1, 2, 3 properties that are identical. That is string name, string race, and string race, init age, I'm sorry. Identical to the 3 properties that fighter has, name, race, and age. Exact same identifiers, exact same data types. So this here, these three properties here are identical to the properties used by a mage. Not only that, I see this method rest right here used by a mage is identical to the method rest used by the fighter. What's really different between these 2 classes is the class mage has magic points and mana points, which a fighter doesn't, and the class mage can cast a spell, which the fighter cannot do. What the fighter has that's different is the class has armor points and bash points, which the mage does not have, and the fighter has a fight method, which the mage does not have. So anytime I have 2 or more classes that have identical properties as these do with these 3, and 1 or more identical methods as these do with rest, I do something else. I'm going to form another class that just has the things that these 2 classes share, and I'm going to have these 2 classes inherit those properties and that method from the new class. But that's what the next video is about. So make sure you understand what we were talking about here, and then we'll go on and watch the next video on inheritance. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching.